Yo, what is going on, Girl Scouts? It is Dripsy back with another video, and today we're going to be explaining what VoiceMod is and what types of stuff you can do on VoiceMod and how to download it. So, as you can see, I'm on VoiceMod right now. It's completely downloaded and pretty sick. It's a voice changer soundboard. You can do nuke alert, gong, selfie. Well, that's if you have a webcam. I don't, so yeah. Then we got the baby. I
Like this one, it's like pretty weird. I don't know. I don't know. It's weird.
And there's this one. I love doing that. It's so funny. It's the last different. In the cave we got. Wee woo. Wee woo. Wee woo. Wee woo. That's pretty funny. I like that one. I like this one. This one is like I'm tripping on some shrooms, bro. I got man and woman. That's real. I use these for trolling kids. It's pretty funny because a lot of people fall for it. I don't know how well I won at least because I could hear if I knew it. I can definitely hear it. Definitely, yeah. It's like so weird. Like you could hear the sound of the voice changer. So here we go. This one. I like it. The music. It's pretty weird. We got TP. This one. This I love it. We got the baseline. Bro, I remember that on Vine, bro. Fucking morgs. I got this one. And yes, I'm on computer. Don't ask. I like it and all that. So how to download it? This is gonna be a little bit different. So you're gonna wanna pop up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but on this the type to search here, you're gonna click it and then type what is it called? Control panel. You're gonna go on the app. I don't know if you guys, yeah, you can't see it. Damn it. You might have to move OBS over to my other windows. You can't even see it, dude. Oh, no, you can. Okay. So once you're once you're on, you're gonna go to well, you're gonna have to download it first. So what you're gonna have to do, I'm gonna go in the browser real quick. So you're gonna want to go onto oh wait, never mind. So you're gonna go on here, and you're gonna press VoiceMod. Then you're gonna go to this one. Then you're gonna go to download, and once you download, you're gonna double click it, and then it's gonna say a bunch of stuff. If you can't do it for the computer, and it's sad, I'm sorry. So once you get what FPS? Okay, that's 38 FPS. That's bad. Okay. So what you're gonna download, and it's gonna show you a page about what to do. Just look up a video on how to do it. I'm just saying where to go and what it is and stuff. So you could be look up a video on like how to set up VoiceMod or whatever. Because I'm just gonna show you guys what is how to download it and stuff, or not how to download it, how to what it's like and what you can do on it. So once you do that, you're gonna press download, and when it's done downloading, you're gonna double click and then look on another video because I don't know how to explain it. So once that's done, once it's done, you're not gonna be able to talk because you switched all your stuff to your to the voice mod options. So then you're gonna open up on voice mod. Then you're gonna go to settings, I think. Then if you do Discord, then you're gonna have to go on Discord real quick. You're gonna have to go on Discord. I play Krunker, so what? I get like 100 FPS because Krunker, this computer it's not really that good, but it does the job. It's really cool. I love it. I love it. Plus, with my mouse and keyboard, it's insane. Obviously, I have myself muted because I'm in a chat. If I don't know, if they're in there. Yeah, they left. Okay. Because normally this has like what shit ton of people in it. So yeah, there's like a crap ton of people. Oh, bro. Okay, give me at East for a section. It doesn't matter about that anymore, but like, there's a lot of people in it. If I could get to the, there's events, the VIP in here. There's a just chat one, random chat. I think there's a lot of people in here. Like, there's a lot of people when it's like daytime and stuff. There's a crap ton of people. So, yeah. You want it, you can do it. If you don't, you don't have to. So, what you're gonna have to do to get it to work on Discord, you're gonna have to go to user settings. Then you're gonna go to, voice and all that. Then you're gonna switch it to, microphone, voice mod virtual audio. Then you could start talking as I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna press F5 and it's gonna change my voice to a different sound. So I can do a check and then it's obviously I the trash mic on Discord. Not only on Discord. Well, it is kind of only on Discord. Doesn't matter about that stuff anyways, but then you're gonna switch it and your output device don't have to do anything with that. It doesn't matter about anything with that. And then yep. Calm yourself. There was a kid raging in the Discord server, in my Discord server, so I went, calm that down. And I did this, like, it's funny because, like, if I go into gift, a bunch of stuff just popping up, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do this one because, like, you need to chill the hell out. It's funny, I'm not gonna lie. Tyrone looking at Tyrone looking. Yeah. And all that, whatever. I don't know. Oh yeah, to get the beeping sound once you download voice mod is once you're on here, if you have these options, that's good for you. You're in good hands when you do it. So I forgot to take off the headset thingy. So then you're gonna go to keybinds. Then you're gonna see push to bleep out. It's gonna go INS. I put mine to like INS and 0, so I can press it and then go. So when I'm in a game, like let's say click it. Okay. Let's say like VR chat for an example. I can go like because I'm not really saying. I'm just going. What's up, my? So I can go because if I say it, it's gonna catch something, and then you're gonna be able to hear it. So I go, "What's up, my?" And then they're gonna think I actually said the N word, but I really didn't. So joke's on them. So it's like, yo, I'm gonna talk some shit, or I'm gonna talk some. If you keep talking like that, and the guy just goes, "What are you gonna do, you little?" And then he just says whatever, and I'm gonna go. It's funny as hell. When it comes to VR chat, it's funny as hell, dude. But yeah. If you guys want a tutorial on how to use it on a different, like games and stuff, go ahead and leave a comment. And if you want to see some gameplay from me on, like, let's say Team Fortress 2, it might be like very low FPS because I have OBS Studios, and OBS uses a lot of FPS. So I can only like run what maybe 150, 160 max. I think so. So when it comes to all that stuff, it's gonna have to rely on 30 FPS to 40. So if you guys want to see a video on that, then go ahead, leave a like and or comment, whatever you guys want to do, and yeah. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Have a nice one. And never